Hello everyone, I am Vikram. Welcome to AIMS IBS Shark Tank channel. Witness innovative pitches and inspiring stories on successful Shark Tank pitches and also mentioning unsuccessful pitches. This channel is all about existing new pitches and inspiring entrepreneurial journey.
Hello everyone, myself Ajit. I am going to talk about what the viewers are going to understand after seeing the upcoming videos about certain successful and unsuccessful pitches of AIMS IBS Shark Tank. So first and foremost motive is that everyone wants to be a successful entrepreneur. So Shark Tank helps you to understand how to run a business with innovative and effective products and services.
Hello, Vaishnav here. Here's why Shark Tank is a hit with youngsters. The show has been offering insights into the technicalities of business and startup in the Indian context. Students are greatly inspired by judges and participants to take up entrepreneurship as a career choice. Shark Tank has become one of a hit among the youth, tickling their brains and inspiring them with innovative ideas. One of the key features why youths are hooked to Shark Tank is that it is one of a kind of show based on business strategies and investment. It offers a great deal of insight into entrepreneurship. Subscribe to our channel and keep watching.